Okay, was your for Honorable Kennedy Japan, a member of Parliament, with Jim Dima NPP, Amanyoko, Mashibi, Fio, Asin Central. Now, Wakasan or dear to John was say, was another good for the baby. Is answer to send another you be a Sawakaso baby, via, or sing Kitty, essay bit to me, Abum, and it was Sereno. I could draw near on account, dear free SHS. I within 1 year, buy our night, yes, in 7 January 2017. 17 in more papa is were introduced to free SHS. That was around November, oh baby, was September, oh baby. And I introduced to free SHS. About bet now 4 years, about between say you go so a free SHS one, you go so a could. That means say, and on what the awarding shame at the can ne budget on Sequel be as well free SHS about Bedi Juma, about Juma Papa or May, you would see me a dear. Near was running the same feed Juma and feed Juma and feed Juma industries and half factories. Was ran and asa honke kani awon dia wodi be a free SHS wodi ma free SHS aba be free SHS aba be reality no o ma enfidi dwuma industries and factories no and also so won hyem kana one district one factory wo ye one district one factory they say wetimi ya a wo manya district yi one district one factory che say wo manya be 30 ne de Ghana fo bi che say o mu hui be say don abo aka ne be hwehwem eti wo manya be 30 wo che say wo ma enoso say de be ye mabu na wo ma yi mu ebenya adwuma ye na ewiase na yete no ba bia enu kurum oyese wo betro bi ma so amana yoda eni se wuti kurum na ho towo to wasre na factories and industries one man in na semia say the free SHS aye na semia no wo mi enti Honorable Kennedy Japan my ba na do mo twetwe ato aso.
I have learned something from President Akufo. What I've learned is that the bia would do anything so because man can so be free SHS. Ghanaians didn't believe it. A month 4 year advert against it, and next free SHS is working. I am pleading with President Akufo. Use the same vision and courage again to create industries in this country. That's one district, one party. He can expedite it just as he did with the free SHS. So that a man should create enabling environment. Interest rates are so ridiculous. It will not help any young man. Our vision. So a person ye so okobobisia will bank. I do understand ye with that high rate. That is what I expect my president to do before he goes. Because we need, after free SHS, it's industry. Factories. I know he has started 232 factories within 4 years. And we are covered that. But I want my president to take that zeal from the free SHS to industry. How we can create jobs for these young men and women. That is my problem. We need to change that. That is why I'm always talking about youth. They are the future of the country. They are the future. American story near you. He never foresaw. So one day, a prayer come almost they will be important people in society a bit abua or mine. Interior so yeah they and no more quality of our who say or nipa. And I'm baby a word but we are who short memories because Akolano be a nipa can see it is the opportunity. And to make the home abrabo a crime before so you baby a dunya no and I'm ready to move to say let's give opportunity to the youth of this country. And one day, young people, our names will be there. You have that drawn like I say, some politicians way and now empty way and no buyer which we are going to say man Ghana. Just ask Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther no aye, as you will think woman will at any time you don't go America rise up and salute Abraham Lincoln and Martin Luther. They are human beings just like them. Mandela. He has 27 years. He used 4 years to change South Africa. What are we doing as politicians in this country? In terms of the future of our youth, what are we doing? We cannot continuously allow this case to be running around, roaming around, no jobs, frustration, no.
I was young, okay, Japan, a telling Kano, Waka, Miss Winnie Rabbit to us, so now so do I drink Chinaba. He did a judge and Pomaka, and so. You way found some Nana, you know, I work with your Honorable Kennedy Japan.
I think that Honorable Ken Japan, Kwame Nakotia born and PS to the friend. I also think that it's about time. Yet the Nensam Bimwa Oka, Abian of one and a is a vibrant, so or Kasa with power and authority. The Tubiana of visa and Yensibiana and I saw address it. But whichever way, I think it's about time you put in the short force at Tronchain. None on the Korea woman yeka. In fact, he has really admitted say or or a lawyer or an impartial or when hypocrite. Because in Kobia, we about out of 100% politicians are 90%. And Kobia Babu, I am Kofua, and cannot buy war by me. Kabi Sansa and Emma Kosaya, and Ivy Sankaneman Kuyiko, who be son and answer when you are opportunity because any by any easy, any criticism, any SUSia, any USia. But he's one person or a type, I don't know. He doesn't do his stuff like that. I didn't no cry, and you no cry, so I no cry. Who said the Biam because your mom penny and now don't go for yes, why are dear to some extent, so to be free education, Abama, and Koda Mobro for an anchor, or Munya Quanyang to senior high school, or Mochumia Quanya Mokupi. But the Biam because free education is not the only problem. Ghana for a war, and it's not the only solution to Ghana's problem.
Okay.
Yes, your problem because our worry free education for so this man. Sabi because we need that free education is needed for so man. There are so many areas that okasa they kofa enyam for so dear mawom. So what I say. But here when you remember one more, sabi we didi obeda. Sabi. Washata dear. Sane mo nya sabi nya bi discan eye. The discount so dia na se depending near to my papa be a better be especially when you be some life for Claudia so to go up a life for a young crowd of a still or life no FM eti etwuma ya dia aban bi abeba ka wo de ho be of priority no ka amanfo no ebepe wa asem eti yewra kan Japan e ka no wa hwe na no colleagues ni bi gra bi antena se but no krepa no Krojin fita no walk.
Ai finbie ni
hu no walk no. Se nana ahoden na wo de ye free education no. Fa sa ahoden na fa ye friend say fa bie enwuma. So what you say ye adwuma nkofo benya bia ye. Me de bia me ka say adwuma e self generated at say adwuma no. Ensa se atoto na se so what I say, so I'm a penny number, nursery school. I are there when some we see your friend saying hospital overhead. Why are there when some we see hospital? Why are there when some? But all these things are near ma. Just kind of minute on some Puma
hospital.
No, my car to say overhead.
Okay.
And schools down there. So what especially now at school because I free there. There's no school fee to almost income now. Ono ma ohwe de odema wa ya da achima because obewie school no akwa nyim no ase de wa dwiri nyina wa hihye nyina wa dwiregu so what I na say eti adwuma nkadi sika bade e o say campaign for no mi omoni a say commander sugar factory as o kwa atreba kwa wa unya bi nsai akabo de adwuma eno kasa mo ya e be create a lot of employment so what I say because the ogoda hwede e benya na kakra podwe de also ade abenya kakra podwe ni o twika akofa benya kakra podwe do e mo factory ho it will go a long way even to enkofo amon kra no omo aduane koma workers wo ho to bi die e benya mfaso eti o na bo ka odika na namie nani a one day so one factory omo so mo si 30 a me de mi hu
kamba bi za say one am no one day so one factory
in previous program sabe de mate na mi hu bi da
30
mate bi mente 30 mate say bi ye adwuma na emu me fa ma ni ko twa wusi en re
emu say 30
minu say yasi bi video konfi me so fa konfi pa na mate konfi juice a wa hu green bi sa no ne ade a ene am say da bra span so am say da bra say wa factory bi de be no ho so ata say but me who yen chese bia any
okay.
So what as name number of it no minim and 30 no we don't have only 30 districts in Ghana. We have several districts in Ghana. In the 30 and I say way below the belt.
Okay.
And are below performance. It or ye become where ye. Tiara says the honorable worker no. Abine on channel nani Brennan fan coma ne man penia or efficacy.
Man farmer so want.
Man farmer. Or they are trouble here. It tells you how honesty he is. I mean, he's an honest person and the honest so on fan call ne party nkwanso anase banko abonteso fo nkwanso eti no onka oma anibre no nko efficacy mo ko ho no kan better ntam dan social media so is good because now that's where the youth have channeled their energies to timuza ya papa permanent sade nya abotre eti wakan we expecting say amampani ne dom so betu ho na mo na district na mo kreti because Ghana baby abefa bia you bibi a wo ye ho ebebo ho nkofo momonya biaye etino ontie na super no oni huduma
honorable say hu hia ni enyojo no ti mampanyini ma na nimri youth ne so ezan say youth no na ye next generation
lumba bo nyombe wasimi hu hia ni bia me bunu na me hu akoda bia so ame bunu deep asem no kan sa no because hu akoda bi ne me say be hu koda aso sha sabe yamfa no nyehwe sa no bibusan kran pa majority of such nkolanyi be yidi pakase
say they no abode na bra boy yamfa ton
so what you say yenya tie ye won se mebrebe ka so kai okasa wo kwa ya daachi a awarejaye ni step madasam dia konfa baby kakrat ya bre ne tia sa no ya bre pa niema e ton na pampam de ne number 1
apampam
store say don't touch me say me be ni susu na first don't touch me e bi su fe na zuma twade e de po ni say be pai ni won ni as be de hwi bi be
pai uti kura be pai
of insufo no mu use
uti kura be pai de bo uti a e be pai
don't touch me
make a wo
who be da
azuma twade
who be da
me who be da na say de wo ka no say ye de bo uti bo be pai wow
she na some now o yes o di cinema be 6 months na sign because dem so ba petam pe ho na here
yes economical
o de nam so na me am papa na eye na me am so a na so mo te ko nketo papa o ya feel
chippens no ana ye from say
chippens asama ya to boss
ya from say
I the chicks no
ya from the chicks
kokre
okay
shankete na from
chippens ya abo
na nam kwa ho na say o kona ka no some so me na tu so me na akugu one side of the cake one so ya wo no mu na ekoto fom ya bre o nkunuma
o mu berede
the second e bia wo nam kwa ho na wo kro wo so apampam na e cage na so na mo dukuru it's a can twam za mo ya so mo
na enfamana no de
enfamana no de tumi omu na tumi twane beta one side of the cage na wo so mo no se wachi na mkwa atwoko wachi one so nya no
na o akwati ahwe
na me ka se mre bi train me ko full train me from he kwanongo na me ko biaso na mdu biaso ka se train du biaso be gina train du a train anyina na o se misi because me see ade me konkoko so me tiate na o se me use strategy na me huri be see for say guda
wow
train ni me
from training
me catch that wo I'm telling you honestly me huri fit na ni mirika na ni say normally ya na do gina complete ma nkofo so we begum sa we dey do am ni say train da ba so na dey na ha no we nyina awia normally ya na sa train na no wa bebre awia na ta ase be kam am say ya na maintenance works na nipa ebi na work as nipa kakra to me for ha na msumi hu sa ade efo we go train ni we nyina yeah ya bi ko na de for one
who free here kwai
me free kwa wona me ko dwaso
anti ka na du dwaso
ka trainer
du dwaso o se gina
na
okay
and free training mirika in fact na slow me say I say onyino na onye hwe ho die na
me
aka me nkokọ so siadim na ekọ me nko asa me ken wa hwe a we say sim ni ka ba no kwasam pa na me ken
ya won tam kese wa we wo
se pa na mema bread ogina otama kokko ne meka hire nyina toma am na me so me kwankwa ba hwe so mbewu omu so me ho matu atwi me so kwam ne kokko nyina fom buram na kokko esi me kokko na mto mo ase PSC fo na ja me wie bo meka hire na me tri hun tata ne mani hun tata eya sam kuma o enti nipa bre
wo ye ni anyojo
wo ye ni do
ebe to media dania bre
ya za so na hu akwada bia unim ne da ache ti me such nkola no me hu ma me respect on pa na sabre na pipe onso ni ye krumo no pipe obata no nya fast
kren bia na
ayi de ne se ni no kren ai nti bi wa nkon ni pagua no nti ba sai wonso bi wo e fo na esrem obi a ohwe mo fu petense bia be hu sasema bra yi kan yi ni pa
let's check
anadu 2 o'clock nso ne bo adu opepre sei no na e bucket nkete ti se mo ko salite ten na de meme ya say me so fie be ho na meme pan am the small boy o be I was there around 12 13 ho baby 14 15 ho baby na ba no speed am tam kwa so ne bo crash am baby aba kwa koton go speed am dey ban me kwa speed ne be speed
why
say me be ho ntino say me connect tem feel ma ankore
na koda
na me san so strategy bia edu me na say me hwe na say nipa na obadodo a mo man chise crazy akwa nchire bi na makwa na yese be yi na de be 12 a wo hu bibisa ji hu nwane
bedwane
ti ko temro ma hu he no mu na bia na ma fa ho na ma de me ma
ko ba sa uzio
ya bro eti de ona bo ka no wa hwa hu akola bia bebu na ntia sa akra no enu mre bi no afi unsensious bo se wa fere ye nyina we have a story to tell some true baby afi ye tutu ka kakraba bo hye otumi hwe odin se ohwe osun chendin nyame ya de o ko hwe ba bi o free ba living with your stepmother one of the weakest thing man for because ya fa honto
nti je fa o kakra hyem na ye fa bi mo ye to ma no
se me kasa me kako na me re ho ba because only your stepmother tia one of the thing I mean person be wish you be that not to say stepmothers nyina
omu nyina anye be more na
because so onwo ya obeye osede okrokro
that is what ba ware na se
for no nya na ba wi a nya fa duwe di bedi wo no
including o papa no ana step ne nko a
mother no on na wa pa han go me ma de no sori a ebia wa hwim nyo ne maame na tifi ye dia ne maame na ba bia di nti majority of nyama be kofi bia papa nya we and because so ya we but sabe be ma wa na yire fofora ona tie wo maame afiri akunya so no ye tu maame akunya so betu abedi tim de ne abakoma sam da bi nso ne nyina mu ne fam ene obre ne akukuya se ba de fam nti ona bo
na wa be superstar
we have a story no bia so woni entambians no woni abakwasem ana obi oni abakwasem bia ni ntam etienya we have a story to tell ona bo kan sa no who say no titi do wo kan we sure say at that time no so nkofo na wo ho sa bo mfa sa se kwasem pani bia onye fa na
wasena kan wo fa nim se wo ba benyini amene ne so aba mfa so bia ko treat ni
wa ti ase me ka se mre bi ye kra asem kora ye di agome so ma breo people teach nyama e bi pen o ma people teach ada na ye kra nsem bia na me staba that we catch am say bia unyina de na ba yase me some kasa azo do unyina be useless oh yeah be useless he said it macho acho so me kai most words are expensive and sharp ntina metumi apa usure be fi ba metumi akasa ba kwa kire 20 years to come na that's what exactly what happened eti hu ni pa bia
oda so ti ase
mama what ti ase but so unfortunately I'm just saying it as part of life because I love her so much sabi mother biko anko hu say hu da chi said a chan hwa ba ha see to kure you free ho and so ye nyima free ho I love her so much you know you fine pa yeti ameka se program we me short be nya bia hwinta ameka ka menka kora what you say but yabre je meka se yabre machiri ba se kura de onu ma me de ahwa ka to ofan free akura gudu nko ahwa odu kwa so be se no kwa you know but it's all part of life but me come we dey actually person je ona mu bia do not give up definitely be do me bia so you know ho a you say emoden bobu musu abaso so what as the ama to be an man not take a crown no be son because of the go to penny beer come between my so tony penny some kakra so what is that man say you know your man penny tie honorable asam na all can
for the youth
na youth no omo very important. They are the backbone of the nation. Nti si anwe omu ye na sebe da chi benya sebe nkwasuafo we blue kruma yan na bekotia yan imagine so ya kokrada dem na nkwala tete wo
so omu ko school
o say
omu ko free SHS
so ko free SHS a owie school na o ma ya adwuma
okay
nti obi adwuma ko bia na kwasa be ye bi mo to our system na nka o mampani ko for the buy no a or the free free basic free FKIP no for FKIP free basic and compulsory education at by not just say wa kwada chinchina
also
school and also the free maternal care by na man ko free it's ankola na wo free no be enjoy free compulsory you know
no sabe enjoy
asabenya free education ka juma be so a na ka si
Father's Day baby am kwa so me so for can say me o say senka wono a kamampanyi free SHS ne wontwam kura na fa said ye no obi asweat de ne bako school ne yensa anya ne sa because ya hwe ya next generation ne be ba na say be 10 years 5 years to come no 10 years to come na kura bi instead of man ba pay scan o ba be ka che ba say me de na hwe mi o
we dey
e ya ban ne hwe
amo anu nsi kura amo anu nsi musofo no because na akwa so musofo se ona akwa okọ asoro on that day na say wan kan ye
sa
je wan kan ye
so en na me ka say enye o ma wo form na hwe o mu na
say nye
aban na hwe o mu school
nye sabe school fees ngwa na papa tua akra no fees ko ma fi o medidi
akra bu asa nyansa ne bi na niti
dabi na say wajimi by birth and they born with jimie by birth so what are they
we go say obi timi hwe ne ba so nyina
Onfi no nti nye free education tina mama nkola beka se wa ahwe me ko akora no school bo odidi e na bi u ko school ko hu hia nyama kitikiti bi akọ
e na me ka sa akora bu a odim sa nyansa no e se wo ko no odidi yamba odi odi sa ba na twa ni school
afro onim nyansa no sabe e se akora obi wo mfa so shiru ma fada boto gro be so atade na ti se o shadow sanka wa mpo na ara na free education ma na ye hu nkofo enyo papa ana nya papa bi aso na hwe ne ba
okay
ana nti
one day one nya adwo
me nya adwo kura nya kakra kura God free education e ba nyu ba omo abom dos chen omo a
emo awom
omo no chese na nko betue school fees but onko fo bebrebe ho a na nka nidaso ni ba bia ba yi aboa enu te na nka mpesa ban bia ba onye bibi ebo hiafo mo than to say bia na me de guitar ba na the guitar address and fa bianin si table so
the guitar address system
what I say
ya fa bobo ya da ho
so what I say na me di Dubai interchange ba na fa hwe ma ya de be boa enkwada ana say ehiafo your friend no poor policies just na me ebo hiafo more to say ko buy a free bus for school children ko there oh papa ba bia obi anya me shira enema papa ndigu akwa na ehiafo nyama nkoa no ye enema bebu ehiafo en wo ye ntiaka abai for so bana so beto so na we ba no ka da ka bi edru ba bi but obi eba office
ono so one policy
chairman say no we pia to ba bi
ono so one policy no ono so policy aba yenhwewe honorable nsem bi okan na yemfensi wa che say yemayimu I said the mampenyi emie bi enwuma said the beya mabunu benya bi enye de bia na yebetu kwan akọ obi man so akọ ye adwuma e de enya ye ho ana say ye de asifie na ye hwe ye mayimu so mampenyi bi adwuma kwa gatwa na ye sen eno nkota nchen esikafo de say ono aboka ni Japan na o say sese ye mi adwuma na binya no wono so workers sen na ono kwa aboka katwa semutie ai betimi aboa ye Ghanafo say ye tena ye mamusi ye adwuma anya bia wo mo mpanimfo na na say o mo sikafo no madi kan no o ma ye willing say ye na ye be adwuma mo betwe ka ye amadachi bia so abanfa so ama ye
agora ba we mahuza wona ba akatiasma ye very
akatiasem de reje
ba de tian say ba mka no kure we nkyerɛ o yese achichidie nsa ye ntientia na nso so no yiri ko muto ni nyina ne say ana aboa no hwede kese ono anwere buo etino you may not get all that you deserve as a worker and adwuma ben ho asem so ne ye kan
Ye name say Mario and Mranti Gradian Street is we all starting business or starting business with just 200 Ghana cedis, which is 2 million. We are a toffee no tonton. And it's such a person no sabe day toffee do say no go to atonya sika bebrebe and the risk involved. It's only a juma na se Nyankopon ya do ni tua even 1,600 800 as a young person. I don't think say e wo form sa. And na honorable so no minim the workers how much you tua and looking at the way 777 predators Uganda numui menka sa or vibrant or kasai sinakatua nyanka me sure sa ke bi mu aba bontene abetene to so what I say because 777 Ghana of course David say edia the waja adwuma bi betumi abeka so honorable nyano say bi obeta Uganda msa akatua kranye so what I say ko betumi abeka definitely nti enya nti bi sa na we azumi say o say
enye suro
oh so say wakatua obi ntua kai na kan so ne wa he
depending on
the capacity as politician no well say na as it is now
so akwa na hye wo ho
as it is no yenye obi nya ma bonten me kan dey we assuming say na ona bonso o hwa adwuma o man kofo ye doso pa
okay
ni nyuma wo piepie doso pa co-stores wom TV stations wom radio stations wom farming wom bebrebe into the imagine say Ken City ho ikura you know from radio, TV, editors, blah 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 blah. Class. Nipa 100 crown. Look at it, one person. Oh yeah, dear. Okay. And sana, and you know, we are expecting say, sana skafon kaya biswa kano, including on one fellow politicians, no. Also from hunyim. Na yan sanson tia say, not all that glitters is good. Nye de shring nyan yesika. Where minu abasa, oh yeah, research and now we deep research into. Amanfo etu kwan ko amanane na out of 100% metumi a campaign akase mu be 30% pe no metumi ameki majority of them are suffering akonto ye tire but me tie yam wo sister bi wo Italy o senana metia sa anya mani na aje o oso akoshe Italy almost 20 years ni plot control bi o Ghana it you can imagine onso things wo Italy ne boga amanfo swete intino say me hunu say majority na so mu say adwuma bu ha at least na katua nya kura wonya 700 bi 1000 bi kura na say ne ho ben ha na obetena ha
okay
na no woni ha na nkofo akogu Dubai a UAE ne sa ho ma honorable ka Japan ye ne sa kofa bi baaye on ba how much no me baaye Saudi Arabia say ho nyina one area enti how much no me baaye ebi mu kura ba mo sa de yade ne baaye na maka osuenya frifa afin ko wiaje na de yale nanam enye nyame adba na ka ofa so nti dodo na koe no de no de bae nti enya de estrenya na iska dodo na koe de bia meki ba nya obi aso na meki
wunya kakra na eso a
betena there's nowhere than home
okay yedi si we
enti be dis no onampani ntie sa humble plea from honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan nanka awodin na odi share free education say ye be ye ene kwan bia so wo se ye ne yenkwada no omutumi ko school ye onye free at say one factory no ene nya no kwa wo policies be disikaba munye na nkora nya dwuma nya ne sanfa income crime o men na me ya pa say ye program akọ kan no bosia abonnement mi anka ho asem yi na jet na ho adwan na omite ehye me pa bosia na do so do ye man pani our pardon him say first time in office or bosia cry is okay because I feel waba to so ye ntotoye na e de abejeska akra na de ntotoye but second term there so say to play cry so okoje bosia mi chiri kura se mete man kan ye kura me mpe kura sa ka mete sa asem biem because Ghana de na Nyankopon nya yen ya yes to play nanka we sanka why ntotoye ye na nka papa pani Nyankopon ya doma ahira na nka ate ayi play mu fe kakra ni mu hwem kakra e no se de ye twa atwe but because wonu masema wa kan ye bosia bona doso na ayi den bebrebe afede also if you are repeating the same thing even to the extent say we dey play na board dey kwankofo beka nanka there's nothing wrong with it
ya tinaje make say be sa na mo ba be kam say ye be solichina
ai
ye be solichina
ai anu de
Ebabusia say be share be did ya join champo ma ya na do comment about no Kennedy Japan ya join esa ahoden ya okeka ye man panyi di wura free SHS mu no onfa sa ahoden sa vim and vigor no onfa wura industry and factories mu said be ya adwe ye man adwuma bebuo ye ntu kwan ye nkwa Saudi Arabia e ma ayi for ayi nkrofoi enkokunkum obi nkoyi obi hwe na nkete ma mu ne ye adwuma I have a comment by be say she be did ya join champo ma ya kramo